You know, deep in the core of almost any industrial facility, there's this powerful pulsing system that really drives everything. And managing that system, well, that's a role of incredible responsibility and serious expertise. Today, we're diving into that vital role, the boiler operator, the true guardian of the industrial heartbeat. Yeah, this isn't just a job about turning dials and watching gauges. It's about being entrusted with the absolute lifeblood of the entire operation. Think about it. Every single person in that facility, from the front office all the way to the factory floor, is counting on your skill and your vigilance. That is a profound level of trust.
So what does that trust really mean in practice? It means you are the industrial linchpin. Seriously, this is so much more than a job title. You're the central point that literally holds the entire production process together.
And the words here are so important. A pillar of reliability and competence. See, this isn't just about technical skill, it's about character. Your constant vigilance is the first and most critical line of defense for protecting people, keeping production moving, and safeguarding the whole plant. Okay, so to really appreciate what you do as an operator, we've got to understand the machine itself. We're talking about the high-pressure heart of the facility. This is not just some piece of equipment. It's an incredibly powerful and potentially volatile force that you have to master.
I mean, we are talking about a meticulously designed system that contains and controls just enormous amounts of energy. It's the engine that drives everything, and it operates under conditions that demand constant respect and, you guessed it, unwavering attention.
And it's exactly because of the boiler's power and its complexity that your role as an operator is absolutely 100% indispensable, plain and simple. Without your expertise, the reliable delivery of steam, the very energy that's needed for production, it just doesn't happen.
So what does this mastery actually look like day to day? Well, it's not just running through a checklist. It's more like a symphony of precision. It's a daily cadence, a rhythm that only an expert can maintain.
Just look at this flow. Each one of these steps is totally interconnected, right? You're not just maintaining steam pressure in a vacuum, you're doing it while constantly monitoring water levels to prevent a disaster. You're balancing that fuel and air mixture for peak efficiency, you're performing blowdowns to keep the system healthy, and you're inspecting the very safety equipment that acts as your backup. And what ties it all together? Meticulous records. That's the story of the boiler's health, and you're the one writing it.
Conducting this daily symphony requires so much more than just knowing the manual. It's an unwavering sense of responsibility. It's having the deep technical knowledge to understand why things are happening. It's the ability to make split-second decisions when things go sideways and having the composure to stay calm when the pressure is on, literally. And underneath all of it, an uncompromising, absolute focus on safety. Because let's be real, the stakes are incredibly high. We have to talk about the perils of neglect. This is what can happen when that symphony of precision, that constant vigilance, falters for even a moment.
In a lot of jobs, a small mistake leads to a minor issue, maybe some paperwork. But in your world, a single misjudgment, a momentary lapse in attention, can transform a controlled system into an immediate and very serious hazard.
The contrast here is it's stark. On the left, you've got the professional's code, attentive monitoring, proper maintenance, correct procedures. But on the other hand, you see the direct consequences of letting those things slide. A lapse in monitoring, that can lead to tube ruptures. Skipped maintenance, you're looking at costly shutdowns. But a failure to adhere to safety protocols, the consequences there are nothing short of catastrophic.
And the cost of an incident, it just ripples outwards. Sure, production loss and equipment damage, those are huge financial hits. But look at that other major slice of the pie, personnel hazard. 25% of the impact is the direct risk to people's lives and well-being. So the critical point here is that your work isn't just about protecting machinery. It's about protecting your colleagues. And all of this brings us to our final and maybe the most important takeaway. You aren't just an operator. You are the guardian of the facility, the indispensable backbone that supports everyone and everything inside it.
Just let that sink in for a second. Every check you perform, every log entry you make, every tiny adjustment you calibrate, it's not just another task on a list. It is an act of protection. Your knowledge and your focus create a shield around the entire facility.
And never, ever forget the human element of that protection. By making sure that boiler runs safely and efficiently, you are directly protecting the lives of everyone you work with. And by keeping that plant running, you're protecting their livelihoods. That is a powerful and profound responsibility. And that's really the essence of your profession, isn't it? You are more than an operator. You are a trusted guardian. You're the professional who makes sure a powerful force is always under control, always safe, and always productive, contributing directly to the success of your entire organization.
So to all the operators out there, thank you. Thank you for your skill, your vigilance, and the critical work you do every single day. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button, share it with a colleague, and subscribe for more explainers like this one. We'd love to hear from you.